All right, class, today we are learning about the letter X, and you have most likely already made your letter X puppet, and so you've already met Mr. X-Ray. This guy's name is X-Ray X. That is his name. And if you look really closely, you're going to see that he lives in a really special house that's shaped like you guessed it, a letter X. So here we go. Here's our story. And again, remember to watch for the characters, the setting, and if there's a problem and how they solve it. Here we go. Once upon a time, there was a little creature named X-Ray X. He loved the look of the letter X. He had a house shaped just like it. Even his little nose was shaped like the letter X. And he had X's all over his clothes. Let's count the X's on his clothes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He had 5 X's on his clothes. X-Ray X was an expert at reading X-rays, and these are X-rays. X-rays are special pictures that you can use to take pictures of your bones. Okay, so if you've had an X-ray before, it's a picture that where they can see your bones. So he traveled all over the world studying them. He taught doctors and nurses to use them for helping people and animals. I wonder if these come from a person or an animal. What do you think? One day, X-Ray X was walking down the hall of a building. He heard the shouting of many people. He stopped to see what was happening. X-Ray X liked to help people whenever he could. He sounds like a problem solver. He stepped into a room and found many confused men and women. They told X-Ray X that they were in charge of naming all the letters of the alphabet. They were all finished except for naming this special letter right here. I bet you can help them. X-Ray X was very surprised to find that the shape of his nose and his house to be at the very bottom of such confusion, because he knew that this was called an X, just like you. He listened to them as they tried out the alphabet with different ideas for that letter. Are you ready? First they tried Gump. Let's say the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Gump, Y, Z. Does that sound right? No, they all shouted. That doesn't sound right at all. They decided to try Slosh this time. Okay, let's try it and see if that sounds right. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Slosh, Y, Z. That doesn't sound right. That sounds awful. They shouted again. No. That doesn't sound right either. X-Ray X told them about his special name and asked them if they would like to try that, the letter X, to be their letter's name. They tried it. Let's sing it, and yet let's use the letter X. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Excitedly they cried, "Wow, that's it. That sounds just like the letter that we have been listening for." The people thanked X-Ray X for his letter name and his help. Everyone made X's by putting their arms in that shape, by crossing one arm over the top. Can you make your arms make the letter X? X-Ray X said goodbye, and he went on his way. X-Ray X could hear the people saying the completed alphabet again. Let's try it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. O, on and on. O for the O on the letter X. They all clapped with joy. Can you do that? Say X. Yay! Because they were so happy that they finally found out that this letter's name was X. And when we say X, we know the letter X makes the sound X. Can everyone say that? The X says X. Very good, class.